All right, we are at girlfriend Laura's parents' house today. Mr. David got a new truck. He could not pass up the deal apparently. Got himself a nice F350, but you'll notice it is a short bed. And he went to hook up to the horse trailer and it would not clear turning. I will show you the pictures. All right, so here is the solution he found. I just wanted to show you folks, just in case you didn't know these were out there. This is on Amazon. It is a pop-up hitch extender. So this is it completely installed. If you've never swapped one before, all you're gonna do is loosen these two set bolts up here, pull the pin, and out she will slide. Then you just slide this puppy in, pin it, set screw it, done. But let's take a look at it. We have 16 inches center to center length from where that goes in. Here is the old factory style one. That one is 11 inches. So we gained about 7 inches total there. For $600, that is worth every penny, because the damage done to that truck, as you saw, was a lot more than that. Back window and body work is expensive. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go move this Ranger real quick. We're gonna back up, hook this thing up, and let's see how much more swing we got. I don't think it's gonna make it perfect, but I think it's gonna make it much better. So let's see how this works out. Well, turns out 7 inches is a lot, boys and girls. This pop-up hitch extension is freaking awesome, man. I will also tell you, from putting it in, it is built very well. It's rated for 30,000 pounds, so if you need one, you got a short bed. I mean, that just bought us every bit of clearance you could ever need. This thing will not come close to that cab now. I mean, look how we have it jackknifed currently. So yeah, we'll have a link up here in the video and in the description below for this exact hitch extender on Amazon. It's like 500 bucks, and that is a fraction of the cost of cab damage. Yeah, go ahead, try it out. You can always send it back if you don't like it, but this puppy is impressive. I'm not gonna lie, it really outperformed my expectations here. So come on.